Two things: be patient and believe in yourself.
You ready for this?
Wait, what are we talking about here?
Well, just a little disclaimer. If you love me,
Mm-hmm.
you'll eat hard rice.
You fucked the rice up.
Fuck rice up.
It's all good. I see you got the potatoes on deck.
Right. Just throw them in, just real quick. Do you want some water? Or are you good right now? Purple cabbage.
Thank you. No, I'm good right now.
You good? Well, catch the ashtray. It's like twirling up the corner.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What that charger happen? What does that charger say? Beats by any chance?
This is power up.
Oh.
Why?
I thought that was my headphones to my my headphones.
Headphones to your cord.
Let's say Beats by any chance? No, where the remote went? It was in there somewhere. This is the one to the boys' room. You good?
Yes, thank you for dinner.
You're welcome. It came out of nowhere because that was not planned.
You was about to be knocked out.
The worst is when one person is at home and the other person's like, "Oh, what do you want for dinner?" Because it's just like, I don't know. I'm here. I'm not even eating. That's why there's nothing for dinner. So the person home is forced to figure out.
All right, I gotta get up and do something.
Yes, like, what do you want me to check the refrigerator right now? Like, that's what yesterday I'm in the store. I'm like, I'm hanging up. You're no help right now. Like, you're no help.
Right. I started having to coordinate the route shit. I was like texting.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm gonna get back downstairs. They're all eating right now, so I'm gonna text Rodell. Make sure he's out. He's at Dave and Buster's, so I'm gonna see if he's out eating. You good with
You be lit.
Right? You want this?
Yeah, I'm perfect. Wait, I got a fork?
Yeah, there's a little pink one there. You want a metal?
Oh, yeah. No. This is great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Just like that, I got dinner. Didn't even have to move. I could get used to that. Eating dinner without even having to move. What do I have to do to get that, let's say, for the next 30 years? Next 20 years, 25 years. How accurate do I have to be? What kind of man do I have to be to get meals for 20 years straight? How consistent do I have to be? Because I need it. I need this. In order for me to do what I need to do at a high level, I need this. Look at this shit. Shit fire. Smoking on some pressure. Just got dinner served to me. I didn't even have to move. Wifey brought me dinner. I didn't even have to move. So it made me think, what do I have to do to get this for 20 years straight. How do I achieve this? How consistent do I have to be to get meals served to me 20 years straight? Because I need this. I can't lose like this. This is a winning formula. I gotta secure this. I gotta lock this down. I gotta lock this down.